A function VAB is defined for positive integers a, b and satisfy the following relationship here. So let's first of all write down all this relationship here. It says V of a comma a. If both of them are same, then it is exactly equal to a. Also V of a comma b is equal to V of b comma a, and that's it. And the third one, which is important one, V of a comma a plus b, it is equal to 1 plus a by b into V of a comma b. So which can be also written as this 1 plus a by b, it can be written as b plus a by b into V of a comma b here. Now such type of the questions are usually easy. They're not a difficult one. Yeah, it might take a time, little bit of time, but they are usually easy. You just need to follow the rules and you'll get the answer. Okay. So like in this case, I need to find out V of 66 comma 44. So 66 comma 14 here. So I can say this is V of 14 comma 66 also. And this is equal to V of 14. And 66 is what? 66 is nothing but that is 14 plus 52. Okay. So now this is in the form of V of 14 and 14 plus 52. So it will be as it is equal to B plus A. So that is A plus B is nothing but that is 66 here. So I can say 66 upon the value of B is 52. So 66 by 52. So 66 by 52 into V of 14 comma 52. Now further we need to simplify 14 comma 52. So what can I say here? So I can say, let's say this is equal to V of, now 66 by 52, 66 by 52, that will be comes out to be 33 by 26 if you simplify. So 33 by 26 into 14 comma 52. So this is again B plus A by B. So I can say into 52 upon. Now what is 52? 52 is 14 plus how much? Or let me write down step by step. I can say this is 33 by 26 into V of 14 comma 14 plus something is equal to 52. So subtract 52, 14 from 52. So that will be 52 minus 12 is equal to 40. I can say this is 38. 14 plus 38 is 52 here. So this expression is equal to 33 by 26 into 52 by 38 into how much? V of, I can say 14 comma 38. Now further if you simplify this 26 and 52, so 26 into 2 is 52. So it will be comes out to be 66 by 38. Or I can say that will be simply 33 by 19. So 33 by 19 into V of 14 comma 38. So 14 and 38 is what? 14 plus how much? Okay, that will be equal to 24. So 14 plus 24 is nothing but that is 38. So I can say this expression is equal to 39 by 19 into 38 upon 24, that is B, which is equal to 24, into V of, I can say that is 14 comma 24 further. So again if you simplify here, it will be comes out to be 39 by not 39, this is 33. So 33 by 12, 19 twos are 38, then I'll get 12. So 33 by 12, and 33 by 12 is again nothing but that will be equal to 11 by 4. So 11 by 4 into V of 14, and 24 is 14 plus 10. So I can say this is 11 by 4 into 24 by 10, and which is equal to into V of, I can say 14 comma how much? That is 10. So again if you further simplify this, how much it will comes out to be? 4 6 are 24, and then again 6 times, then 2 into 3 and 5. So that is equal to 33 by 5 into V of 10 comma 14. Further simplify 33 by 5 into 10 comma 14. 14 is 10 plus 4. Okay, 10 plus 4. So I can say 14 by B here is 4. And I can say that is V into 10 comma 4. Alright. So again it will be comes out to be 33 by 5 into 7 by 2, and 10 comma 4 is same as 4 comma 10, and this is equal to what? 4 comma 10, and 4 comma 10 is nothing but 10 is 4 plus 6. So I can say that is equal to 10 by, not this one, but yes, 10 by 6, or let me write down step by step. That is V of 4 comma 10. So that is equal to 33 by 5 into 7 by 2 into 4 plus 10 is 4 plus 6. So that is 10 by 6 into V of 4 comma 6 here. Further, you can write down, you can further simplify. So that is 33 by 5 into 7 by 2 into 10 by 6, which will be equal to nothing but, or if you further simplify it directly, 5 into 2 is 10, it will be get cancelled, and 11 and 2. So I say 77 by 2. So let me write down directly here. I'll get 77 by 2. So this is equal to 77 by 2 into 4 comma 6. So 4 comma 6 is nothing but I can say 6 upon 2 into V of 4 comma 2 here. So 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So I can say 77 into 3. Alright. So 77 into 3 by how much? 2. And V of 4 comma 2 is equal to V of 2 comma 4. And then it will be comes out to be 77 into 3 by 2. 77 by into 3 by 2 into V of 2 comma 4, that is 2 plus 2. So 4 by 2 into V of 2 comma 2, that is 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 4 will get cancelled. So I'll get 77 into 6. Alright. Now what is the value of 77 into 6? So if you solve it, I'll get the value of 77 into 6 is equal to 462. So the correct answer for this question is, of course, that is 462. This is the correct answer, which is option E, none of these. So you can see this question was not a difficult. Yes, it is a lengthy, but definitely doable. Thank you.